Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. Today we have prepared important news about the Vechain cryptocurrency for you. Credit Suisse Vet launching $200 million crypto options trading fund. CK Zhang, formerly the global head of valuation risk at European investment bank Credit Suisse, is targeting a $200 million fundraise for a new crypto hedge fund. The Wall Street Vet has joined forces with Felix Zhu and Yumu Zhu to launch CX² Capital, which will deploy strategies in crypto options to help deliver better returns with less volatility, according to Zhang. We can use options in a way that can substantially reduce volatility, Zhang told the block in an interview. Options, a type of derivatives, can be used to speculate on assets, but also are a Wall Street tool to squeeze returns out of an asset's volatility. For instance, strategies like long strangle allow a trader to take advantage of a potential surge in the volatility of an asset. ZX² is plotting a way to deliver outsized returns in the market while dampening the volatility of Bitcoin. In sum, the pitch to investors is that it can reduce the volatility of the underlying market to 30% to 40%, compared to Bitcoin's volatility of more than 80%. Zhang spent more than 17 years at Credit Suisse and previously held positions in interest rate derivatives trading at Bank of America and Susquehanna International Group. In a sense, his entrance into the crypto market and the fund's overall approach reflect the crypto market's growing maturation and complexity. According to Zhang, ZX² Capital plans to leverage proprietary indicators based on on-chain data to inform its models. We're leveraging the both of the two worlds. As for his partners, Felix Zhu is a well-known NFT enthusiast whose collection was featured in the Wall Street Journal. He has worked on building out two crypto projects, ARPA and Bella Protocol. Yumu Zhu, who got his start at Fidelity, has invested actively in the decentralized finance market. CX² Capital's pending launch comes as a wave of capital pours buoyed by billionaire investors like Alan Howard and Paul Tudor Jones enters the market. On the venture side, the market has seen a number of new multi-billion-dollar funds crop up, ranging from Paradigm to FTX. So next news. Announcing the VUS stablecoin launch, $50k United States dollars community's level has been retested multiple times. Consequently, it has been weakened. The RSI gave mixed signals as it rested at 45.96 level. Furthermore, the DMI lines witnessed a bearish crossover, thus revealing a weak directional trend. Similar to that of XRP and VET, Tezos, XTZ, projected growth patterns over the last week. On 24 February, the coin received support at the $2.64 level. Following that, it moved up again, to reach a resistance of $3.61 on 1 March. However, post-1 March, XTZ developed a bearish directional momentum. Even though the alt managed to gain almost 7.5% over the past week, it dropped 5.22% over the past 24 hours. During press time, the alt traded at $3.28. The selling pressure kicks in XTZ can go down further to find a floor at $3.09. The RSI at 37.06 reflected the diminishing buying strength. Even the CMF declined below the half line, indicating a slight bearish edge. So next news. Ukraine has received $37 million in tracked crypto donations so far. Based on data gathered by Cointelegraph, the amount of tracked crypto donations sent to the Ukrainian government, military and charities has surpassed $37 million at the time of publication. These include Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Tether, USDT, and other altcoins. The numbers are also based on tracked projects and do not account for items such as donation efforts between individuals. The biggest recipient of crypto donations appears to be the Reserve Fund of Ukraine, backed by the country's native cryptocurrency exchange, Kruna. According to his official Telegram channel, the exchange has raised approximately $13 million in crypto for Ukraine, mainly through BTC, ETH and USDT. Next up, Comeback Live, a non-government organization that says it's helping the Ukrainian armed forces' resistance efforts, has received over $7.2 million in BTC donations at its wallet address. This includes previous, albeit minor, donations it had received during the war in Donbass, which began in 2014. Cointelegraph spoke to Ukrainian crypto enthusiasts about the charity, who vouched for its legitimacy. Then there is Ukrainadao, which is led by Pussy Riots, Russian feminist protest music group, Nadyatala Konnikova, and seeks to sell a single non-fungible token, or NFT, flag to fund Ukrainian civilian organizations. Currently, the highest bid for the NFT stands at $2.89 million United States dollars. Furthermore, activists in the blockchain community have created an on-chain fund to help Ukraine. The initiative supports a plethora of altcoins, including Near, Binance Coin, BNB, Binance United. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents, and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bid is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price, 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish